Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player. Today I'm going to show you how to play Johnny Be Good by Chuck Berry. So let's get started, all right? So the song is based on 3 chords. And then this iconic riff in the beginning. So the chords are going to be an A sharp here. On the 6th fret, you're going to put your first finger up here on the E string. Then you're going to put your second finger on the A string on the 8th fret, your third finger on the 8th fret on the D string. Then you're going to use your pinky over here. That's on the 10th fret of the A string. So you're going to play that chord. That's a chord that's used a lot in blues music. This whole chord progression is. So the chord is going to be the A sharp, and then it moves up to a D sharp. So you're going to just move all those fingers down one string to the A, D, and the G. You can do the same thing with your pinky down here on the 10th fret of the D string. You're going to move back up to that A sharp. Then you're going to move down one string and up 2 frets to the 8th and the 10th. And then you're going to hammer on and pull off with your pinky on the 12th fret. Okay? Then you're going to go back to that original chord. And once you've gotten the chords down, you want to mute this with your right hand here. Like. Okay, so this riff is probably in almost every solo in rock and roll, and I'm going to show you the notes that are in this, so you don't necessarily have to play it just like Chuck Berry, but I'll show you the scale that it's based off of, and then the tricks that make it Chuck Berry's. So on the E string, on the 6th fret, all those notes are in this scale. So it's going to be the 6th, the 9th on the E string, then on the A, D, G, it's going to be the 6th and the 8th fret. And then on the B and the E, it's going to be the 6th and the 9th fret again. on this song, I don't think he uses the lower E string at all. So to begin the solo, he slides down from way up here low, maybe the 2nd fret, and he just covers the B and the E string, and you slide down to the 6th fret. So you slide down to the 6th, and then on the G string, you go 8, 6, 8 on the D string. The way he does that is he has his 3rd finger over here on the G string on the 8th fret, and he bends it up. So he's playing that, but so during the verse, they're just doing the chord progression. It's a pretty quick picking pattern. During the chorus, which is go, go, it's a pretty simple chorus, he's playing the chord progression. So when you learn this, play along with the song. It's tuned to standard tuning, and it's these 3 chords. And I think that any beginner could pick it up. And the part with the that would take some practice. Play it really slow and work your way up to speed. This song is actually a very fast tempo. It's pretty quick, but it's a fun song and very recognizable riff. And so I hope you got something from this. Hopefully this unlocks the secrets to that song and you can play. So please subscribe to my channel and we'll bring you more. Thank you. Have a nice day.